Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to find QR code on TikTok. TikTok's QR code feature is an excellent way to share your profile or connect with others quickly. Whether you are a creator, influencer, or just someone looking to expand your network, having your QR code handy can make a significant difference. First of all, in order to find your TikTok QR code, open the TikTok app on your device and log in. Once you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile page, click on the three horizontal menu button at the top right. In the pop-up, click on Your QR Code. Now your QR code will be displayed on the screen. From the QR code page, you can copy your QR code by tapping on Copy Link and share it with your friends via any social messaging application, social media, or email. If you want to share your link, simply tap on Share Link and select one of the messaging apps or any other apps from where you want to send the QR code to your friend. You can also take a screenshot of your QR code so that others can quickly join you, scanning the QR code from their TikTok app. So that's how you easily find the QR code on your TikTok account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.